So welcome to all of you in this session. So let's start without taking much time today's topic. So the topic name is, yes, Vibha, can you read? What is the topic?
Humor, the secret sauce of
Source of the great
great
communication. Yes, the
great
topic
communication.
is humor. The topic is humor. Humor means the secret sauce of the great communication. Secret sauce. Okay? As you know, the sauce enhances the taste of our food. Same goes with the humor. Humor also enhances our communication. Can anyone tell me what is humor? क्या होता है humor?
Which makes you laugh.
It makes to laugh. Very nice, very nice, Madhu. Any more inputs? What is humor?
It's to make people feel light.
To make people feel light. Very good, very good. Okay, so what is humor? Yes, Vasant, can you read it? What is humor? Yes,
According to me, it's point out something. It's a common thing or something.
it is
Common thing which all know about that.
common thing.
Yes,
No. Humor.
humor. Okay.
That is a humor. Maybe अफवाह जो आप कहते हो. That is a humor. We are talking about the humor. So can you read it, Vasant? What is the definition of humor?
Humor is the ability to find the express things in a funny or amusing way. It lightens the mood and makes communication enjoyable.
Enjoyable. Yes. So humor क्या है? Humor, we can say, guys, see. If you think so, कि the presentation of the food is excellent. Presentation of the food is excellent. Whatever the products, ingredients we are using that are excellent. But the problem is that if there is no salt into the food, so do you really think so कि that food is tasty?
No.
No.
No. So humor is just like a salt.
So,
Humor is just like a salt. Or you can say humor is like a spice of the life. Now, in today's scenario, everyone's life is too dull, boring, monotonous. ठीक है? Life में कोई charm ही नहीं है. So, but this is not our criteria. If we will present in this way, if we will come in this way to our audience won't love to listen us. So that's why we have to put some sparkle of the humor into our communication. Why? To make our communication more engaging, first, to make our communication more enjoyable, to make our communication more connected. More connected. This is very important, guys. Okay, Hardik, if I ask from you, Hardik, why you have joined this IDQ platform?
Ma'am, to make my English impressive, correct?
Impressive, effective. ठीक है? These are the words
Correct.
that are coming from your mind. Okay.
Yes.
So what I'm saying to say, Hardik, suppose you are delivering one topic into your fluency session. So you just assign
Yes.
one topic, maybe on the spot or maybe on the earlier prior basis. So whatever
Okay.
is coming into your mind, you just deliver. You just deliver.
Yes.
So why the people are not listen you? कहाँ कमी लगता है कि हार्दिक कहाँ लगता है कि तो जो ऑडियंस है that are not taking so much interest?
Because there is some spark is missing in my
Spark is
the way
missing.
of delivering.
Yes,
Way
and
of
what is
delivering.
spark? What is spark? That is a connection. That
Connection.
is a connection. Guys, trust
Yes.
me, in today's scenario, if you know कि how you can emotionally connect with your audience, audience चाहकर भी आपको सुनेगा. But the problem is that we only focus only on the thing, whatever the knowledge I have into my mind, I just deliver. I'm least bothered कि whether it is getting into their mind or not. क्योंकि मेरा टास्क क्या है, बॉस ने मुझे प्रेजेंटेशन दिया है, आई हैव टू जस्ट डिलीवर दिस प्रेजेंटेशन, टाटा बाय बाय, माय वर्क इज ओवर. नो, दिस इज नॉट योर वर्क. You have to emotionally connected with your audiences. So that's why today we are here to learn the humor. Humor का मतलब guys ऐसा नहीं है कि ठाके मार मार के jokes crack करने हैं. You are not the Kapil Sharma. You are not a stand-up comedian. Okay, that is a different part. That is a different part. But humor means how to inculcate, make your communication enjoyable. ठीक है, इसमें आप क्या क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? That we will discuss later on. Right now, any difficulty, guys, you are facing?
Ma'am,
no.
Yes, Jyoti. Jyoti, you are saying something?
Ma'am, I am Sudeshna, ma'am.
हाँ, yes, Sudeshna.
Wonderful evening, ma'am. Wonderful evening, everyone.
Wonderful
Ma'am,
evening.
yeah, interesting topic. So that's why I joined. And after a long time, I can see you, ma'am. Thank you so
ओके,
much for this.
मैं तो दिन ही बना दिया मेरा। चलो अब तो शाम हो गई, तुमने तो शाम ही बना दी। हाँ, ओके
नहीं
ओके।
मैम, आपने बना दिया। मैम ये बोलना चाहती हूँ कि जस्ट इफ वी like if we make jokes on our difficulties or our lack, which what is we are lacking in our life. So we are lacking most of the things. Like if I fall down, ma'am, I start laughing on myself first, then others. So
Yes.
it is also a humor, ma'am. So
Yes. Yeah, Sudesha, we will discuss each and every part. Ki basically, what
Yes.
are the ifs and buts while inculcating the humor. Humor
Yes,
doesn't mean ki that we start cracking the jokes on others. No, we cannot hurt others. So that's why we are going to discuss step by step. Okay? But I'm just
okay.
talking with Madhumita Pal. Madhumita, you're very
Yes, ma'am.
silent, dear. Huh?
Actually, I am carefully listening to you.
Acha. Okay. Right.
Ma'am,
Chalo. हाँ,
I want to share something. Like Sudeshna ma'am, कहता है भगवान जो करता है अच्छे के लिए करता है. I thought it's a grammar session, but this topic is related to me. As an anchor,
it's very important. Yes. So guys, देखो, I did my best to cover all the aspects. Maybe some of you are the housewives, maybe some of you are the professionals. So that's why I have covered
Yes.
all the aspects. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so let's start. So humor, that is okay. That is just like the spice. You can just add the food of the salt. So now the question is coming, guys, what is the role of humor in communication? Why humor is so much important in our communication? So there are the different roles of humor. The first role is break the ice. The first role of humor is break the ice. What do you mean by break the ice? What do you mean by break the
Initiate
ice?
conversation.
Like you start communication, start
Yes.
conversation.
Yes, to start. देखो, sometimes or most of the time it happens कि that we don't have so much guts to start the conversation. Right? So we don't know how to break the ice. But once you know how to add humor, so you can easily start breaking the ice. You can easily start breaking the ice because humor makes the environment very friendly. Humor makes the environment very open. And once it gives a signal to your mind that now the environment is open, now the environment is relaxed, you can easily break the ice. You can start the conversation. Okay, capture attention. This is very important, guys. By inculcating the humor, you can capture the attention of your audience. Okay, so let's see some examples. Suppose Vasant, you are going for a presentation. You have to deliver one presentation. हम कैसे बोलते हैं, guys, present? Hi guys, today I'm here to deliver one presentation and I really appreciate, guys, everyone please listen to me very carefully. Right? This is a general way
yes.
we speak in this way.
Right.
Do you really think so कि Vasant, the audience will listen you? No, audience will think, अरे एक और वसंत आ गए हैं for the presentation. Now, by hook and crook, we have to sit into this presentation because this is the requirement of the business. So that's they will sit.
Please.
They will sit. But instead of saying, Vasant, what you have to do, hey guys, एक energy level आपका high होना चाहिए. You should not be very dull. You should not be very bored. Your energy level is high. I'm not saying कि energy level means that you have to start shouting. No, your energy level, your body language must be very energetic. So then you can say, hey guys, today I'm here to deliver one presentation and trust me, this presentation is simple and sweet, just like a good movie trailer. Pooja, please mute, dear. Everyone, guys, if you're not talking, okay, yes, okay. Guys, getting? Are you getting? Manoj, you want to say something?
Nothing, ma'am.
Nothing, तो भाई एक बार mute कर लो. Okay, right. So what you can say, hey guy. Okay, चलो let's. Yes.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, Sunanda.
Visible, ma'am?
No.
I don't know.
Okay, no worries, no worries. Sunanda, please
Ma'am,
mute yourself, guys. Please, please, please.
today
Let me
I
complete.
joined through mobile. That's why I rejoin, ma'am. Please.
Yeah, Sunanda, it's okay, dear, but please don't interrupt while I'm talking. Otherwise, it would be very difficult for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes, okay. Guys, so what we can say ki, hey guys, today I'm here to deliver the presentation, and trust me, this presentation is just like a Netflix. Very energetic, very informative, and very refreshing. Although अब देखो ऐसा नहीं है कि you will change your presentation, the content of the presentation would be same, but instead of saying कि just listen this presentation, I really appreciate, you just sparkle some little humor into that talk. Getting this thing, Jyoti, Rupali, getting this thing, कि how to say, how to say that. The next role of humor is build the rapport. Build the rapport. What does it mean, build the rapport?
Repetition?
Sorry?
Repetition? Oh, rapport means
Rapport, R-A-P-P-O-R-T. What does it mean? Build the rapport.
The flow of communication. The flow of communication.
Connectivity.
Yes.
You have to build a rapport with whom? You have to build a rapport with your audience. Guys, see, audience can be anyone. If you are a school teacher, so who are your audience? Your students, your teachers, your colleagues are your audience. If you are in a IT sector, so your team members, your clients are your audience. Okay, so audience can be anyone.
Yes.
Right?
Okay.
So build the rapport means how to get connected with your audience.
With your audience.
With audience. This is very important. हम बोल तो देते हैं कि if you really want, अभी जैसे हार्दिक ने बोला, मैम, I have joined this IDQ platform to become an impressive and effective speaker. But how? Just only inculcating the good vocabulary words? No, you cannot get emotionally connected with your audience. You have to connect with your audience. Guys, see, I'm giving my example. I really want to reduce my weight, okay? But वो कहते हैं ना कुछ नहीं हो रहा. So then the last month, I just hired one dietitian. And you know what is the role of the dietitian? She has just given a diet chart in which there is no sugar, no carbs, no maida, nothing. After 6:30, I was not allowed to eat anything. Okay, but I have hired her. Last week, I went to my dietitian and not a single grams I was able to reduce. Okay, so my dietitian was very angry on me. And then she started, Komal, you didn't do anything, blah, blah, blah. You have to cut the sugar, you have to cut the carbs, you have to do this thing, you have to just count your calories. Then she start, right? I was listening. But suddenly one line came into my mind, guys, and just I spoke up. What I told, I'm just sharing the experience. मैम, जैसे ही छोले भटूरे देखती हूँ, दिल कहता है जा सिमरन जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. Suddenly it came into my mind and I spoke in front of my dietitian. So what will happen, guys? Just whatever she was speaking to me, वो जो anger level था, that was cooled down. That was cooled down. So what my line did, my line just changed the direction of her talk from negative to positive. ऐसा नहीं है कि she stopped. उन्होंने मेरे से बात करी, she convinced me, but now she changed her direction of talk from negative to positive because earlier she was very negative for me. कि यार इससे कुछ नहीं होगा. But now she was able to change. She also thinks me, now I was emotionally connected with her. So I was able to build the rapport. And once I was able to build the rapport, I can easily open. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Okay, encourage the people to open up. Very nice. This is very important point, guys. And again, I'm taking my example. I have to conduct the team meetings in IDQ. Okay, so I have to take the team meetings with my team members. And trust me, it happens with me. Just analyze, it happens with you also. When you are conducting some team meetings, most of the members just switch off their video. Switch off their videos. right? And we always say, guys, please turn on your camera. This is for you. Please turn on your camera, but no result will happen. In the last meeting, everyone switch off the camera, and I told only this thing. Hey guys, this is not a Netflix show. Just unmute and switch on your camera and start discussion. And trust me, guys, it gives me an immediate result. Out of 10, at least 6 opened up their cameras. So I encourage the people to open. Reduces the tension, definitely. The laughter always reduces the tension. Messages delivered are more memorable. जो भी आप messages deliver करते हो, by putting the humor, that are more memorable, that you can retain into their mind for a longer period of time. How? Question is how? Jyoti, do you have kids? Jyoti?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
One.
you have kids. ठीक है. Okay.
Yes.
So Jyoti, now I'm taking your example. ठीक है, क्योंकि what I believe now, we can take the real life example so that you can relate
Okay.
more.
Hmm.
Jyoti, suppose you have a daughter or a son?
Daughter.
Daughter. Which class?
Class 8, standard 8.
8th class. ठीक है. Suppose Jyoti, your daughter hasn't received good scores in her class, in her exam paper. Okay? Then
Yes.
being a parent, we start yelling. We start yelling on them. What you have done, we just put lot of efforts, we are just doing so much money on you, and still you are showing these types of remarks. And then what the child will do is he or she start crying. And then what we will say, okay, please don't cry. Okay. If mother is start yelling, so the father will speak, okay, don't cry. Just do efforts for the next time. Okay. This is a simple talk. Being a Indian parents, we always do it this way. But, Jyoti, what you can say? देखो, marks आ चुके हैं. Your child has scored the result. It cannot be repeated again. So what you can say, you just put some humor. Then what you can say, hey, I hate tears. एक dialogue है ना पुष्पा फिल्म का, पुष्पा,
Yeah.
I hate tears.
I hate tears.
I hate tears. Instead of saying, guys, don't cry, what you can say, I hate tears. I hate tears. And trust me, once you will speak this thing now, it giggles some laughter into there. And so, देखो, humor का मतलब क्या है? How to change the situation from negative to positive, from dull to interesting. Suppose, Madhumita, you are very happy. Okay, so suppose you have completed one project and your boss appreciated you. Or maybe you have made a very scrumptious food for your family, for your husband. Okay, and your husband say, wow, Madhumita, what the food today you have made. And Madhumita will just put a little simple smile and then she will say, thank you. Okay, but what the Madhumita can say? Mogambo khush hua.
For sure.
Okay, so that will give her. So guys, these are the Bollywood humor. These are the Bollywood taglines also. You can use these taglines into your personal relationships also. Okay, got it?
Yes.
If you will speak in this way, the messages will retain into their mind for the longer period of time. Last workshop mein what was happened, there were very less students. In my workshop. Then I told to my DO, yaar, today there are very less students in the workshop. How we will conduct the workshop? Then my DO was also sad. Yes, ma'am, there are very less students. Then I told, no worries. Karan Arjun aayenge. Okay. And then we will just have some giggle up, and then automatically the students start coming.
मेरे Karan Arjun आएंगे.
ठीक है? So that is the way, guys. Okay.
एक
Now,
और है ना मैम?
yes, Padma.
They say go and have a good life. Which movie was that?
Sorry, Padma?
जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी.
हाँ, जा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. Yes,
Yeah.
we will discuss.
This is also good.
Now we will do one icebreaker session, guys. What is this activity? This is activity 1, icebreaker. Now in this activity, what you have to do, you have to introduce yourself. You have to introduce yourself. Now, how to introduce yourself? How to introduce yourself? Hi, I'm Komal. I'm from Delhi. I'm a master communication coach at IDQ for the past 3 years. Who will listen? Who has an interest? Who has an interest? ठीक है, I am most welcome, right? So now what is this guys, this activity? I will send you into the breakout room, pairing pair. Okay, two students will go into the breakout room, and then you have to introduce yourself, but in a humorous way.
Okay.
But in a humorous way. How? देखो guys, कैसे अब आपको करना है? I'm taking my example. You can take your own example. अब मैं कैसे बोलूंगी? Hey, I'm Komal. I'm from Delhi Dil Walo Ki, and I'm into the profession where I can make mumblers into the motivational speakers. Who am I?
ये कोमल दिल्ली
Who am
दिलवा.
I? What is my profession? Acha, again I speak. Hey, I'm Komal. I'm from Delhi Dil Walo Ki, and I'm into the profession where I can make mumblers into the motivational speakers.
Motivational speaker you are.
Motivational speaker.
Yeah.
Motivational speaker. Hey, I'm Komal. I'm from Delhi Dil Walo Ki, and I am the real boss of my house, or I am the CEO of my house. Who am I?
You are the housewife.
I'm the housewife. I'm the housewife.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, I'm Komal. I'm from Delhi Dil Walo Ki, and I'm into the profession where I know each and every shortcut except the work-life balance.
Except the work-life balance.
Except the work-life balance. I know each and every shortcut, but I don't know the work-life balance shortcut. So I will do which profession?
Housewife.
Huh? Yes, Vibha?
Then also a housewife, ma'am.
No.
No.
Know each and everything. Yes. Manage better, but no.
I'm into the IT professional. IT profession knows each and every shortcut key of the keyboard, but they don't know how to balance their work-life balance. They spend too much on their laptop.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Got it? Got it? So guys, now you know your professional. Everyone knows your profession. So I'm sending you into the 5 minutes into the breakout room where you can discuss with your partner and introduce in a humor. Only what you have to say, your name, you are from where, and you are into which profession.
Okay.
But into a humor way, not simple, boring way. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I'm sending you into the breakout room. Assign automatically. So I'm sending you into the breakout room for the 5 minutes. Okay? Yes, please join everyone. Yes, Parul, Madhu, Rupali, please join. Parul, Madhu, please join. Parul, please join the room, breakout room. Parul, any problem you are facing, dear?
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Yes, Parul. Please join the room. Acha, okay, I'm sending. Okay, Parul, and you don't get the room. Okay, chalo, I'm sending you. Okay, no worries. Okay, Parul, I'm also sending you into room number 3. Please join. Yes, hi Satish.
Hi, ma'am.
Satish, you have just joined?
Yes, ma'am. Just joined.
Okay, okay. Satish, actually, Meena, I have sent the students into the breakout room for one activity, and we are just talking about the humor, how to make our communication more engaging, more interesting. This is today's topic.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just sending you into the breakout room.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, I think
Ma'am, I
Uma
have some network issue. Please move Rupali to other room, ma'am, because I'm on my way to home. So sometimes I'm able to hear and sometimes I'm not able to listen to her.
You want another room?
Rupali,
yes, ma'am,
Rupali.
No, actually,
because
I'm not
Uma
getting
had
exactly what is the problem.
Network issue to. I have network issue, ma'am. So she is not able to talk to me. So if you can move her to other
Acha,
room,
I can move Rupali to the another room. Okay, okay, okay.
another room.
yes,
Perfectly
ma'am.
okay. Uma, you just come into the main session.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, 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 great. Okay.
I was actually traveling, so I don't want to miss any sessions. I was so interested to join. So I joined and I'm like listening to you.
Okay, okay, okay. No worries, dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so मतलब दिल को बड़ी ठंडक मिली जितने स्टूडेंट्स भेजे थे इतने वापस आ गए See how many students I have sent?
So
I
it's,
don't
it's
know.
happening sometimes some disappear, right?
Yes, it happens most of the time, Basant. तो इसलिए मेरा ज्यादा in the number of the participants. But I really happy, guys, कि if you come back, so definitely you are getting some interest. Okay, so let's.
Ma'am, I didn't get the partner and I didn't get the time also.
Okay, Paloma. Okay. No, dear, no worries. Actually, now there are some network issues. Some of the students I have shared, sent one student, but due to the network issue, he left. Okay, but no worries. We will discuss right now. There are many activities, Paloma. Okay, chal. Let's start. Anyone? Okay, any five members. I really want who can share his or her experience in the breakout.
Ma'am, we enjoyed a lot, ma'am. Thank
Enjoy
you.
नहीं करना सुदेशना. Enjoy के साथ साथ you have to learn also. Learn
Yes,
also.
ma'am.
ठीक है ना? Enjoy और learn अगर साथ हो जाए तो वो कहते हैं ना हिंदी में सोने पे
सोने पे सुहागा.
Right. Okay. Yes. Padma, you want to share your experience?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Please.
Experience, what do you mean by that?
Sorry. Not experience. I'm just saying you have to introduce yourself.
I'm Padma Basim from New Delhi, and I have joined this class to make feel better and good English.
No. Not in this way. Not in this way.
Sorry. I'm Padma Basim. I was all alone. I wanted to see people around me, so that's why I've joined you to see so many people at one time.
Okay. Well tried.
Okay.
Anyone who wants to say? Okay, Vibha. Yes, Vibha.
Yes. Hello everyone. I'm Vibha Chaturvedi, Queen of Raipur, Chhattisgarh, and I'm a part-time superheroine. Cape is optional and apron are mandatory.
Aprons are mandatories and the capes are optional. Okay. You are the homemaker?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So you don't have any tagline for your Chhattisgarh? जैसे मैंने बोला ना दिल्ली के लिए दिल्ली दिल वालों की. So try to think guys. Okay, try to think any tagline for your city. Okay. Yes. Anyone who wants to say? Yes, Hardik, you want to say? Okay, Hardik.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Yes.
Yeah. So, hey guys, my name is Hardik Shah and I'm from Gujarat, Vadodara. Yes, that not Hardik Pandya. I am Hardik Shah. That Hardik Pandya is a cricketer. I am Hardik Shah. I am from. He is also from.
Hardik, some network issue.
Yeah.
Hardik, some network issue from your end.
You know.
Oh my God, Hardik is so much motivated कि आज तो बोल के ही जाएंगे. हाँ, Hardik, some network issue from your end. Okay, chalo next. Pooja, would you like to speak? Pooja?
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone.
Yeah.
Actually, I am Pooja from Kanpur, Thaggu ke laddu.
Kanpur?
Yes, ma'am. Kanpur, UP. Thaggu ke laddu. Actually, Thaggu ke laddu are very famous in Kanpur.
Okay.
I can say that I am a national builder. Actually, I am a teacher.
You are a?
Teacher, ma'am.
You are a teacher, but don't say कि I am a teacher.
I can say that I am a national builder.
Nation builder. National builder थोड़ी.
Nation builder.
You are a nation builder. Okay. I am into the profession where I can make learning like a Netflix. Although I am very fond of Netflix, so that's why I'm giving so much examples of the Netflix. So what you can say, Pooja, I am into the profession where I can make learning like a Netflix. Cannot stop, won't stop. Netflix. Do you watch Netflix, Pooja?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Paloma, would you like to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, speak.
Hey, I'm Paloma from mini Switzerland called Sikkim. Imparting education to tiny humans is my profession. Thank you.
Okay, imparting
education to tiny humans is my profession.
Okay,
I'm a
so
primary
teacher. Well tried. Very nice. Yes, Sudeshna dear. Yes.
Hello everyone. My name is Sudeshna Das and I am in that I belong in City of Joy and my profession is where I belong. That is that I have to jumble my life with young brain and the older one also. So I'm jumbling my life with young and older because ma'am, I teach both of
you teach both. Okay. Right. So you are a coach who handles kids also as well as adults also. Very nice.
That's nice.
Very nice. Okay. Anyone, Vasant, would you like to say?
Ma'am, during my activity, Hardik was my partner and he is
Hardik
also
was
Gujju. And he introduced very well. So I would like to listen him
Is I
again.
audible?
Yes,
Yes.
Hardik. Now you are audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha,
Ma'am,
Hardik.
I'm now audible.
Okay. Hardik, just a wait.
Yeah.
I just
Yeah.
give the spotlight to Jyotsna. Jyotsna, would you like to say
Okay.
something? Yes, Jyotsna.
Yes, ma'am. Hi everyone, I am Jyotsna. I am from Andhra Pradesh, and in Andhra Pradesh, my city is famous for Mirchi. So, anyone can guess. So, I am from Guntur, which is the famous for the Mirchi. And as a profession, I will take care of the patients. The many patients will cure in my hands.
Okay, you are a nurse by profession?
Yes, I am nursing leader.
Okay. But guys, see. एक बार हार्दिक और सुन लेते हैं, then I let you know कि what the मतलब तड़का नहीं है अभी. What is missing? What is missing? Spice. Okay, Hardik, yes.
Yeah. So, hello guys, my name is Hardik. Yes, Hardik, not Hardik Pandya. I am Hardik Agrawal, that cricketer. I am Hardik Agrawal. Yes, both we live from the same city. He is from Vadodara, Gujarat. I am also from Vadodara, Gujarat. And yes, the Gujarat, that Gandhi Bapu, that Adani, that Ambani, that belongs to those state. I belong to that state, Gujju. You know what about Gujju? Gujjus are nothing but ખાવાનું પીવાનું મોજ કરવાનું મજાની life. That's what my motto is. I always do this thing every day. So let me tell you about my profession. I belong to my family business. I do family business that is running since 1948. You know, since 1948, that's running since 1948 means after freedom, right? Just after freedom, Gandhi Babu had just inaugurated my shop. Just kidding, guys. I am the fourth generation that handling this business. So it's running good, and yes, you know about the Gandhi Bapu, that currency. There is a photo over there in that's Gandhi Bapu. That belongs to Gujarat. That's why make me proud for myself that I am belongs to Gujarat, Vadodara. Thank you, guys.
Okay, very nice. Hardik, spice. Yes, there was a spice.
Yeah,
Hardik,
spice,
there was a
yeah.
spice in your
Yeah,
talk. There
yeah.
was a spice in your talk. Okay,
Yeah.
लेकिन इसको थोड़ा सा ना Hardik,
Fluency. Yeah.
Fluency is okay, but थोड़ा सा इसको ना professional उसके अंदर लेके.
Profession.
Okay,
Yes,
if you are
yes.
talking with your friends in informal environment, that is okay.
Okay.
But if you are talking
Okay.
into the formal environment, so
Got it.
that should be some polished.
Got it, ma'am.
Okay, yes, got it.
I have a doubt.
Yes.
I have a doubt. Like if we are in a meeting where audience are there, means whatever the customers are there or audience are there or parents are there, so how we can tell our city, because it is same offline meeting. In online meeting, it is okay that we are telling our city and all. But
हाँ, तो
for
then no need to say, Madhu, if you are meeting offline because your audience is from your own area, so no need to tell. This
okay,
is
and
only talking, we are
secondly,
talking about the online. You can customize your talk, Madhu. This is
yeah,
not hard.
thank
But
you.
एक बात बताओ ना, if you are in Delhi and if the parents are coming from the Delhi, so why you
Delhi,
are necessarily speaking now, I am from Delhi. They
yeah,
already know. This is only for the
yeah.
online sessions.
Okay, and secondly, like if you're there,
Yes, Madhu.
okay. So secondly, if it is like that, that you are in a profession where you have to give some formal speech or something, so how you can give all that thing? Like I
Madhu,
am a
see,
school leader, so
see.
like we cannot add all these things. No,
I'm not saying, that's why I told Hardik that it is not a professional. That it is not a professional. देखो guys, see. Now we are talking the professional. We are talking because I am taking your session, and we are in a formal environment. Formal environment where is one mentor is there, and you are the student. So there is a formal environment. So that's why I am saying, hey, I am Komal. I am from Delhi Dilwalo ki, and I am into the profession where I can make the mumblers into the motivation speakers. Full stop. बस इससे ज्यादा आपको नहीं बोलना.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, don't speak
as
more than that.
Hello, ma'am.
no, but as a school leader, what you can say to students, to the parents, even.
So then you can make, I am into the profession. No, not the parents, Madhu. If you are
Okay.
presenting something, that is okay. But if you are talking with your students, suppose you are meeting first time to your students, you are in your classroom. So how to break the ice? So then you can simply, if you will say, hey, I am Madhu, I am your new teacher, and I will teach this topic. I am the subject teacher of this subject. that doesn't really give so much impact on them. But if you can say, hey, I am Madhu, I am from this city. Okay, city to bolna hi nahi hai because the students are from your own city, and I am here to make learning more enjoyable.
Yeah.
I am here to make learning more enjoyable and more engaging.
But in meetings and all, we should not say that because those
Again,
are formal meetings. Yeah.
again, Madhu, it depends.
Yeah.
It depends to whom you are interacting.
Yes.
To whom you are interacting.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
can we make a humor while introducing
Hello,
ourselves?
ma'am.
Yes.
Can we?
Yes.
We start, as you said, start with the humor.
Yes, start with the humor. Start with the humor.
I'll do once again. Sorry.
Okay. Chalo, abhi let's start some other because it's already 8 guys.
I am ma'am.
Ma'am, me.
Okay. Sunanda.
Yes.
Okay, Manvik.
Jillimani. Hello.
Okay. Yes,
I am
yes.
Jillimani. My name is Jillimani. My son name is Manvik. Hi, everyone. I am Jillimani Kolita. I am powerful woman because I live in Guwahati, Shaktipit in Kamakya. So I powerful woman and I business woman. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You are from the Guwahati. So guys,
Yes,
what you can do. I'm just giving this task. You just think you are from which city. So just Google some taglines, good taglines. Good taglines you have to just search from the Google. What is the tagline for the Guwahati? What is a good tagline for the Kolkata? What is a good tagline for the Mumbai? Okay, so you should have some good taglines into your mind.
It's a good tagline. Shaktipit Kamakya.
Shaktipeeth, actually, Manvik,
Yes.
you know the Shaktipeeth, I don't know ki everyone knows.
Oh.
Okay, so that's why I'm saying the general, you have to make one tagline that is general. That is general. Not make a specific. जैसे अभी किसी ने बोला था कुट्ठू के लड्डू. That we
मैम,
don't know.
असम का चाय फेमस है.
असम का चाय फेमस है. असम का चाय फेमस है. तो that
World famous. World famous, ma'am.
World famous, guys. If you are putting the tag,
Another is,
that
ma'am,
should be
Bihu.
world famous.
Another
That should
is
be
Bihu.
general, not for the specific.
Ma'am,
Not for
another
the
is
specific.
Rangali Bihu.
Chalo, guys. Now I'm
Rangali Bihu. Yes.
Okay. Now, please. Now we are going to discuss the practical applications of humor.
Ma'am, me.
Sunanda, after that, dear. After that, I definitely will take. Okay. Now we have to take the practical applications of humor. You know, Acha Sunanda, you will tell. What are the types of humor? What are the types of communication?
Communication. Speaking.
Verbal.
Writing.
Writing. Verbal.
Another
and
is
non-verbal.
Body
And
language.
non-verbal.
Hand gesture.
Hand gestures. Okay. So first we will discuss, as we all know, there are the 3 types of communication. One is a verbal communication, second is a non-verbal communication, and third is a written communication. Verbal communication means in which we are using words to interact. जिसमें हम spoken words use करते हैं for the interaction. Non-verbal communication in which we are using our body language, our hand gestures, our eye coordination. Okay, suppose you are talking in a verbal communication. So how you can use the humor while using the verbal communication? Meena, you know what is verbal communication?
No, ma'am.
वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन मीना जैसे अभी हम कर रहे हैं, एक दूसरे से हम बात कर रहे हैं, दैट इज अ वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. जो हम बोल के बात करते हैं, वर्ड्स के थ्रू जो हम बोल के बात करते हैं, दैट इज अ वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. ओके, मानसी, यू आर नॉट एट होम, डियर.
Hey, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening.
No, actually, I'm on my way.
Okay, no worries, dear. I really appreciate you listen.
Yes.
Okay,
I
same
have
goes.
enjoyed.
Okay. So now these are the some guys. I'm just giving you some ways how to inculcate the humor while using the verbal communication. So first step is witty one-liner. You have to use witty one-liners.
Yeah.
Then second is the playful teasing, and third is the exaggeration. So there are the three methods you have to use in your verbal communication to inculcate the humor. विटी वन लाइनर होते हैं छोटे छोटे शॉर्ट एंड द क्विक रिमार्क्स होते हैं, छोटे छोटे रिमार्क्स होते हैं. दैट इज अ विटी वन लाइनर. इट बेसिकली गीगल्स द मूड of the audience. Like for example, suppose today you are not in a mood to do anything. Okay, you are not in a mood to anything, and I will say, yeah, today I'm feeling very lazy, I don't want to do anything. Okay, that is a simple statement. But what the witty one liner you can say, hey, मतलब यही है, the meaning is same. Suppose I'm taking Madhu's example. Madhu, suppose you are dealing with your students, and most of the time the students will say कि ma'am, I don't want to do this work. Okay, ma'am, I'm feeling very lazy. But instead of that, Madhu, if your student will say, ma'am, I'm not lazy, but today I'm on the energy saving mode. बात वही है guys. See, the meaning is same. That student doesn't want to do the work, but instead of saying कि ma'am, and the Madhu is saying, oh, you are so lazy, you never ever do the work on time. But what the answer will she get from her student? Ma'am, I'm not lazy, but today I'm on the energy saver.
Okay.
नहीं हुआ है जो होमवर्क जो असाइन किया था मधु ने, वो नहीं हुआ है. But instead of simply saying, sorry ma'am, I forgot, I couldn't get the time to complete my homework, what the student said, ma'am, I'm not lazy, but I'm the energy saver. Witty one-liner, short and the quick remarks.
Okay.
Suppose you fell on the floor. You fell on the floor. Okay, suppose you wear high heels and you fell on the floor, and suppose your friend will ask, oh my God, kahin laga to nahi? Then you will say, no, I'm okay. Okay, you feel sometimes embarrassed. But how to make witty one-liner? No, I didn't fall. I just spending the good quality time with my floor. लगी है आपको, चोट भी लगी है, embarrassment भी हुआ है, but why we are showing this thing to the public?
To make
हाँ, yes. Okay, playful teasing मतलब खेल में किसको चढ़ाना. हिंदी में बोलते हैं खेल में किसी को चढ़ाना. That is a playful teasing. Are you really funny, or this is just a lucky day for me? You can say, suppose your friend is very funny, or we are saying, oh my God, you are so funny. Now, instead of saying you are so funny, you can say, are you always funny, or this is just a lucky day for me?
Ma'am, we can say when somebody is laughing on your English, and you can say जिसके घर शीशे के होते हैं वो दूसरों पर पत्थर नहीं
मारते हैं. Yes. This is also the humor. These are the punchliners.
Yeah.
Exaggeration. Sudarshan, Sunanda, what do you mean by exaggeration, dear?
Exaggeration.
सुना है word ये कहीं?
No.
Yeah.
No. अच्छा, Madhumita, Jyoti, have you heard this word?
Yeah, बढ़ा चढ़ाकर
बोलना. बात इतनी सी है, लेकिन उसको हम exaggerate करके बोलते हैं. Like for example, you are very hungry. Suppose you come back from your office and you are too hungry. If you are saying, oh my God, I'm too hungry. Okay, you are too hungry. It's okay. But if you are saying, oh my God, I'm too hungry, I could eat an elephant. Although you cannot eat an elephant, but this is an exaggerated statement. It shows how hungry you are. How hungry you are. Got it? Exaggerated.
Ma'am, spelling, ma'am.
Yeah, this is written, na? Exaggerated. Exaggerated. Maths teacher, I'm taking my son example. Maths teacher. He always say, Mama, my maths teacher is so strict. So then I always say, so our maths teacher was also very strict. So what is new? Okay. So then, this is a statement which he told to me. My Mama, you don't know, my maths teacher is so strict, even calculators are afraid of him. Or her.
So nice.
Right? So guys, what will happen? Maths teacher is strict, remains the same. But once he spoke this line to me, so my anger collapse. Although this is exaggerated statement, which calculator is afraid of the human being? No. but these are the exaggerations. Okay? Paloma, are you getting? Vibha, Meena, Mansi, getting this
Yes, ma'am.
concept?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
these are the guys, please,
Yes.
please, you just wrote down witty one-liner, playful teasing, exaggeration. These are the just methods. What you can do, you just Google and make your own witty one-liner, your own playful teasing, your own exaggeration, whatever the profession you have. Got it? Non-verbal,
Yes, ma'am.
it is very simple. Roly-poly eyes, thumbs up, finger on your lips. So these all are all the humor, how to spread humor by using the non-verbal communication. What do you mean by non-verbal communication, Amit? Unmute, Amit. Okay, Amit is not able. Yes, Amit.
Okay.
Yes.
Non-verbal, verbal means formal job. We are when we are talking about formal, and unformal means
Unformal word नहीं होता, Amit. There is no word unformal. Formal, informal.
अच्छा, formal, informal.
Yes.
So there is a when we talk about informal, there is a
No. Amit, I'm talking about the non-verbal communication.
okay. Sorry, I was not know.
हाँ, ओके. ये स्माइल जो था ना, ये जो स्माइल सा जो हल्का सा स्माइल दिया था, ये भी नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन में आता है.
Okay.
This is also the non-verbal communication.
Okay.
ठीक है? So the facial expression, sometimes we make the silly face.
Yeah.
Sometimes we make the silly faces. Sometimes we sometimes we just roll our eyes in the 360-degree angle. That is also the non-verbal communication.
Okay.
Okay, so that these are the ways how we can put the humor, to our audience.
Yeah. Also, I'm living in one punchline. I am living in Bhavnagar with a Bhav city. You know, with you say living in Delhi means Dil wale ki Delhi.
हाँ, दिल्ली दिल वालों की.
हाँ, Delhi.
हाँ, दिल्ली दिल वालों की. This is my favorite tagline because I'm also from Delhi. Yeah. Okay, so written communication. Pamola, what do you mean by written communication?
By writing, we can send somebody.
Okay, Paloma is very silent.
Okay.
Yes, Paloma.
Something which we can express in writing.
In written words. So writing में how you can use the humor by like suppose humorous email. Suppose we are writing the email to our boss or to anyone. Suppose I'm writing one email to my student. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
I know that this email is very lengthy. And suddenly they will receive my email, they will not open. Then what I can do, I just write one caption. Ki promise this email is shorter than my grocery list. I just put one caption. Although email should be lengthy, but once I will put some catchy caption, so definitely the audience will open your email. Trust me. Okay, so I promise this email is shorter than my grocery list. Funny memes, you can put the memes, GIFs, funny memes and GIFs. You can put. Suppose you will receive one WhatsApp. Okay, so sometimes it happens na, we just show the funny memes or laughing ke, नाचते हुए ke, dancing ke. We are just putting. So what is that? These are the funny memes. These are the funny memes, funny GIFs, we can say. Okay, so in this way we can use our humor. In the form punchlines. If you are using the punchlines can be in the verbal communication can be used. Punchlines you can use in the written communication. अगर लिख के दे रहे हो तो that becomes a written communication. If you are speaking, so that becomes a verbal communication. Clear?
Can I use it in
Yes.
formal email, ma'am?
Formal communication, verbal communication, non-verbal communication, and written communication. There are the 3 types of communication. In these types of communications, we have to inculcate the humor. We have, अगर बोल के कह रहे हो तो verbal है, बॉडी के लैंग्वेज से, आईज के, हैंड जेस्टर से, फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन से, इफ यू आर स्पीकिंग नॉन वर्बल एंड इफ you are writing, then it is a written communication. Then it is a written communication.
What is witty, ma'am?
Suppose you have done one project within the deadline. Suppose your boss has assigned one project and you have completed that project within the deadline. Okay, not only your efforts, your team also has put some efforts. And your boss is praising, or maybe you are praising, ki, okay, my team, I'm very thankful to you that without you, it is not possible to complete this project within this deadline. Most of the time we speak in this way. And the team is also listening. Yes, yes, yes. And having a little bit smile on their face. So what you can say, guys, you can start this thing. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. And thank you so much for the free coffee machine. Without free coffee machine, I and my team won't be able to complete this project within this deadline.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Am I not audible?
Yes,
No,
ma'am,
no,
you are
audible.
audible.
No, ma'am, you're audible.
Yeah, you are audible,
Okay.
ma'am.
Sunanda,
Audible,
please
ma'am.
check your system, dear. Please check your connection.
For
Are you
me, you are not audible.
No,
Meena?
ma'am. You are audible. I
Okay,
have no
Meena, just leave the meeting and rejoin again.
Okay.
Okay. Are you guys getting me?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
Thanks for free coffee machine. Thanks for free coffee machine. So means we have just given the credit to the free coffee machine. कि हमने कितना थैंक्स फॉर फ्री कॉफी मशीन का मतलब गाइस ये नहीं है कि हमने सिर्फ बैठ के फ्री कॉफी, मतलब वी स्पेंड सो मच आवर्स इनटू द ऑफिस टू कंप्लीट दिस प्रोजेक्ट विद इन दिस डेडलाइन.
Punchline, right?
Punchlines.
Yeah.
अब क्वेश्चन देखो, अब क्वेश्चन कहाँ आ रहा होगा. अब might be you guys are thinking, ma'am, how we, मतलब okay that we can use, but what are the different areas? So guys, I tell you, देखो, see. First of all, you should understand this thing. Inculcating the humor is a right brain activity.
Still, you are not audible, ma'am.
Meena, am I audible? I am audible, dear. There is some network from your end.
Okay, me
Yes,
and Manvik.
So please, you guys leave the meeting and join again.
Please join.
Okay, Acha, now. Okay, actually, I forgot to give what exactly I want to say. Yes, I was saying that inculcating the humor into your behavior, because some of you are thinking, ma'am, I'm not a funny person. Ma'am, this is not my skill. How I can add the humor? After your session, I suddenly start using the humor. I can understand, guys. This is not easy. This is not easy, because inculcating the humor is not just like using the knife or using the scissor. No, it is not as easy as we are thinking, because these are the right brain activities. It will take some time to inculcate into your behavior. But once you understand how to use, then it becomes a piece of cake. Because whatever the humor you are using, that should come out from your mouth naturally. ऐसा नहीं है कि इसको एक स्क्रिप्ट पे लिख लिया है and then you are seeing and then speak. No.
It becomes part of your nature.
Yes, it becomes a part of your nature. It should be come out naturally. तभी तो वो audience आपके साथ connect होगा ना. If you are writing, if you are seeing through your notebook, so do you really think so कि the audience will connect with you? No. So now what the things we can do to inculcate the humor? Some punchlines. You can use some punchlines. You can use some shero and shairi. That is also good.
Okay.
That is also good. Meena, just leave the meeting and rejoin. Okay. Or you can use another device, Meena. You can use another device. Okay. You can use some good shero and shairi, but that should be precise. Lamba, ek page ka shero shairi, no. That should be one liner. One liner. Okay. Taglines you can use. You can use the light-hearted jokes. You can use the light-hearted jokes. Light-hearted jokes का मतलब क्या होता है? ऐसे jokes which can make the atmosphere lighter. Which makes the atmosphere or the environment lighter.
हम जैसे कहते हैं, लोग कहते हैं तेरे घर में बाहर आई है, लेकिन हम तो बैठे हैं वीराने में.
So, sorry, who is saying?
लोग कहते हैं कि मेरे घर में बाहर आई है, लेकिन हम तो बैठे हैं वीराने में.
That is a high level of Shero Shari, but you can use a simple that you can use into your profession also.
Okay.
Okay, that you can. I'm just giving you the tip. क्योंकि देखो question क्या आता है guys? You have to use your right brain. This is the most confusing question. कि ma'am, you are saying that we have to use right brain, but how we can use our right brain? So I'm just giving you some tips. कि some punchlines, some good taglines, some good शेरो and शायरी. शेरो and शायरी का मतलब होता है suppose you are going for your fluency session to deliver one topic. Okay, and then suddenly you start your topic. So then what will happen? You are not able to get emotionally connected with your audience. So you can start your topic with some good punchlines, with some good shairi that you can use. Perfectly okay. Okay? Bollywood taglines. Suppose, Madhu, your students are very stressed. Because I know Madhu's profession, that's why I'm taking Madhu's examples more. Suppose, Madhu, your students are in a very tense mode because the exams are approaching. Then, Madhu, being a teacher, what will you say to your students? Ki guys, please, students, don't take stress. Everything will be fine. We generally speak in this way. You did a lot of effort, so no need to worry. Everything will be fine. We speak in this way. Right? But Madhu, what we can speak? We can speak, all is well. Have you heard this Bollywood dialogue of the movie Three Idiots?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
All is well. And trust me, guys, it gives a magic. Okay, got it?
Wonderful.
Okay.
अहमदाबादी लोगों के लिए कहा जाता है, अहमदाबादी से बता रहा हूँ.
Okay, guys. Now, before just playing this video, what I'm just going to convey, guys, sometimes it is coming into your mind, ki ma'am, only the general public can use the humor. No, guys. I have seen the big shots, the big personalities, even the celebrities. They use humor in their talk. Why? My favorite example is Modi ji. Have you listened, Modi ji?
Yes.
Why Modi ji gives a great impact into our life? Why?
Because he's all around.
He has good humor and also he can connect
Yes,
directly to
because
the last level audience as
yes,
well.
because whenever the Modi ji speaks, whenever the Modi ji connects with the masses, he always use some humor. That's why the audience, देखो COVID, the COVID period. Everyone recall the COVID period. We eagerly waiting for the Modi ji's speeches and we follow whatever the instructions Modi ji gave to us. Why? Because he know how to connect with the masses. So guys, I really appreciate everyone. Please mute yourself because now I'm going to share one video. Now you listen that video carefully and also see the Modi ji's hand gestures also, facial expressions also. Okay, everyone please mute. Vasant, Jyoti, Madhumita, Paul. Jyoti, please mute. Vasant, Padma, please mute everyone. Otherwise, now you won't be able to get the sound.
उनके लिए कहा जाता है, यानी कोई बुरा मत माने, क्योंकि आजकल ऐसा है कुछ भी बात बड़ा विवाद का विषय बन जाती है. लेकिन बचपन में जो सुनते थे वो मैं बता रहा हूं, मैं मानता नहीं हूं. एक बार रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म पर ट्रेन आई, तो उसमें जो पैसेंजर था वो ऊपर के बर्थ पर था. तो उसने बाहर खिड़की में पूछा कि भाई कौन सा स्टेशन आया है. तो बाहर वाले ने कहा 4 आना दोगे तो बताऊंगा. तो उसने कहा मत बताओ, ये अहमदाबादी होगा. और अहमदाबादी है तो बेस कैसे बनाना, इसमें एक्सपर्टाइज होती है. ये अहमदाबादी लोग एक भी चीज फालतू छोड़ते ही नहीं है. धन्यवाद जी. माइक दे दीजिए. क्योंकि लोग मेरा सुन के थक जाते हैं.
बिल्कुल सर।
अच्छा,
सबसे
थक
पहले
जाते हैं ना?
नहीं 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 बलहार कला।
Okay, the time doesn't allow me to show this video, but guys, I hope the audio is coming to you.
Yes, ma'am, it was.
Audio is coming. So what you observe from this
Yes.
video? What you observe from this video? What you analyze from this video?
He was also cracking jokes. He was cracking jokes.
Modi ji tried to lighten the
Environment.
mood,
Modi ji
the
was trying
environment.
to lighten up the environment.
Try to talk friendly.
Try to talk friendly. Try to make his communication more enjoyable so that he can easily connect it with the masses. Masses means audience.
Audience, yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay? So that is the power of the humor. That is the power of the humor. I will share this full video. You can listen. You can listen.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now guys, the how we use the humor in the personal settings, in the professional settings. Profession, sorry. How to use the humor in the professional settings. Use of humor can make the presentation, meeting, and client interactions more enjoyable and more memorable. Suppose this is a presentation which you have to show in front of your clients. And this presentation is full of data. This presentation is full of data, full of figures. But this is a business requirement that you have to show this presentation to your audience, to your clients. But if you will simply show this presentation to your clients will not get so much interest. Okay, so what you can do, you just show this presentation and then you will just turn towards your audience and then you can say, it's quite simple. I hope you have understood this. And once you are speaking, you should have the playful tone. You should have a smile on your face. ठीक है, सबसे पहले वो प्रेजेंटेशन आपने शो करा, 1 second, 2 seconds के बाद you just turn in front of your audience and then you will simply say, oh my God, now this is quite simple. Although it is full of figure and audience will see like this, oh my God, it's full of figures, full of data. But this is a business requirement. You have to show this PPT. So how to make little humorous? You again say, okay, I will be impressed if you even get half of it. Then you सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम कहाँ आएगी? सिर्फ आपको अपने ऑडियंस का अटेंशन लेना है. Once you are able to get the attention of your audience, then you can start your presentation. Suppose there is a one-on-one interaction. Okay, again your client is saying, oh my God, or maybe there is a boss and your interaction. Okay, then you are thinking, oh my God, my boss has called me on this for a meeting. So what you can say, I promise that I will keep this meeting short and sweet, just like the coffee breaks. Thanks for joining. This meeting won't feel like the Monday morning because Monday mornings are the Boris days. So then you can see. So guys, these are some taglines which I have made. You can make according to your own profession. Suppose there is a team meeting. Okay. So then you can say, hey guys, please don't sit like mummies. Please share your thoughts. You know what is the meaning of mummies? What?
Egypt mummies are there.
Egypt mummies. Okay? So then you can say, hey guys, please don't sit like mummies. Please share your thoughts. If you will say, please share your thoughts, they won't take the interest. So in this way, you can say, feel free to ask the question. I promise I won't bite you. Suppose your team members are not able to interact with you freely. So then you can say, feel free to ask. I will not bite you. I promise. Suppose this is an online meeting. Online meeting is going on. So every time we will say, guys, please turn on your camera. Please turn on your camera. So what you can say, please turn on your camera and smile occasionally so that I get to know whether you are awake. Are you guys getting? Please turn on your camera and smile. Beach mein thoda sa smile kar do so that I get to know whether you are awake or not. So these are some humor, or you can say the taglines which you can use in your professional settings. Suppose you are a teacher. Suppose you are a teacher. Okay, how many of you are teachers of this batch? Only Madhu?
Follow my ears.
Okay, okay.
One more was there.
Suppose, guys, now you can easily relate. Suppose, okay, suppose you are, okay, Sumaya is also teacher. Okay. Now, guys, you are taking the session with the students. Okay, even the parents can easily relate. Then you can say, let's make this session more interesting. Now, guys, please open your book. Let's make this session more interesting. Do you really think so that students will listen you? No. But instead of saying, you can say, hey guys, let's this session more interesting than your Insta Reels. At least they will just listen to exactly what the my ma'am want to say to me. Insta Reels का नाम सुनते ही वो आपको attention देंगे. They will give the attention to you. Insta Reels. I have used this line with my son most of the time. His handwriting is too bad. And I just, whatever the taglines I have written, most of them are experiential based. His handwriting is too bad. I always said this line, oh my God, your handwriting is too bad. I'm not able to read. Then he just stopped showing me the notebooks. So then I just start making this like, oh my God, your handwriting is too creative. Even I cannot read a single word. Your handwriting is too creative. Even I cannot read a single one. And then he started, "Acha, mama, batana kaisi handwriting hai?" Then I told him, see, I'm not able to read a single one. At least he just giving me the attention. That is the click. Okay, okay, Mansi. Nobody's dear. I will share the recording.
Okay. Bye, ma'am.
Okay.
Good
Yes,
night. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Thank you. Okay. So, guys, I have made some situations. Suppose you are going for the parents-teacher meeting. Now, being a teacher, you are saying, ma'am, your child is not doing anything. I am very disappointed. Right? The parents will not listen you. The children will not give attention to you. So what you can say, ma'am, your child is too creative to find the new ways not to do the homeworks. ठीक है, आपका चाइल्ड इतना क्रिएटिव है कि वो नए नए बहाने ढूंढता है कि होमवर्क कैसे ना किया जाए. So, मतलब you are saying your line, you are conveying your message, but in a different way, so that the audience will listen. Report card. ऊपर नीचे. Ma'am, your child progress report card is just like a roller coaster. Kabhi up, kabhi down. My life is also the roller. I always use this line. My weight is like a roller coaster. One day up, one day down. कभी grams में कम हो जाता है, कभी grams में increase हो जाता है. So this is a tagline you can use. Are you guys getting?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है? If you are sitting in the staff room, so then you can also say. Now, what is humor is and what is humor is not. So humor doesn't mean to crack the jokes. Humor must be natural. It should be coming out from natural. You cannot make the fun of others. First, you have to implement on yourself. If you're cracking some jokes, if you will see, whatever the sentences I have written, I have taken my own examples. Okay, so you also have to add funny genes, add exaggeration. This is very important, guys. Understand the audience culture. If you are implementing the humor, you should know what is your audience. Either they are the working professionals, either they are the school-going students, either they are the Asians, either they are the non-Asians, either they are the South Indians. So you should know your audience culture before inculcating the humor. This is very important because you cannot implement the same humor with every culture. Clear? Now, guys, I'm giving some serious situation. Now, this is a practical applications. I'm giving you some serious situation. You are always sitting on couch, no work at all. Most of the time we speak. Here, you're always sitting on the couch, no work at all. This is a serious situation. Now, what we can do, we just make this serious situation into the humorous. Got it? What you have to do? Guys, this is a humor session. You guys are so serious, na?
And it will be said couch potato. No?
Sorry? Are you
Couch.
guys getting what is this activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I am showing you one serious situation. Just think how to make this serious situation into the little humorous so that the other person will love to listen. Okay. Shall I share?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is going to be very tough.
No, it's not tough.
No. Okay. Chalo. Thank you.
Have to practice for this.
Practice. You are very, what is the sentence? I'm not able to see.
You're not doing anything and sitting on the couch.
Couch, no work at all.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. What is a humorous?
Humorous, that couch potato, get up and do some job.
Padma, speak louder.
Couch potato. Get up and do some job.
Okay, couch potato, get up and do some job. Very well tried. Well tried. Yes, Hardik, would you like to say?
Don't be a couch potato. Try to do something.
Okay. Okay. Sumaya, do you really think so if you will speak in these words to your kids? So they will speak. Don't be a couch potato.
Yeah.
Okay, Uma. Any idea? Actually, this is the biggest problem, guys. हमारी life से वो humor चला गया है. We always put in a very serious situation, and then we think कि our audience, even our kids, audience भी छोड़ो, even our kids will listen to us.
Ma'am, don't sit like a happy man. Please at least move around so that I can see that you are a human instead of statue.
Very nice. Who spoke?
Uma, ma'am.
Uma, very nice, Uma.
Thank you.
Okay. Chalo, let's see what the sentence. If lying on a couch potato is an Olympic game, definitely you will get the gold medal. If lying on the couch potato is an Olympic game, definitely you will get a gold medal. Okay, so whatever the situation is coming into your mind, guys, you can. Yes, Madhumita. Madhumita, just try. You are, Madhumita, do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am, I have two
ठीक है,
kids.
मेरे ख्याल से ज्यादा नहीं तो दिन में से 10 बार तो ये लाइन बोलते होंगे अपने बच्चों को, इवन अपने हस्बैंड को भी. You are spending too much time on your phone.
Yeah.
You're spending too much time on your phone. If you are speaking in this way, they will not listen. So how to make little humor? Yes, try. Yes, Amit.
Your wife is your phone.
Your wife is your phone. Who spends too much time with wife?
Oh, sorry. Your girlfriend is your phone.
Your girlfriend. Okay. Well tried. Okay. Any more inputs? Yes.
Actually, ma'am, I can say your origin comes from potatoes.
Origin?
Your origin comes from potatoes.
Origin, you are talking about origin.
Origin.
Okay, your origin comes from potatoes.
Comes from potatoes. Unattractive lumps that grow larger. Unattractive lumps that grow larger while not moving.
Okay. Got it. Well tried. If your phone could talk, it would probably say, take a break from scrolling. अगर आपका phone बोल सकता तो वो कहता भैया scroll I just need a break from the scrolling. Okay. Jyoti, would you like to try? You need to eat more vegetables. Most of the time we speak, and your daughter is a teenager. So definitely you have to say these lines repeatedly. You need to eat more vegetables. You need to eat more vegetables. Yes?
If his or her weight is increasing day by day.
Sumaya, speak louder.
If somebody's weight is increasing daily,
Like if they want to reduce their weight, we can say that you have
अगर
choose the
सुमैया
effect.
वेट के ऊपर बोलोगे तो वो तो बिल्कुल नहीं सुनेंगे. They won't listen you. चलो ये जो मैंने बनाया था वेजिटेबल्स वो won't bite you, they will help you to grow. वो आपको खा नहीं जाएंगी. I always say to my son, whenever coming to the green leafy vegetables, especially ये जो तोरी घिया होता है, तो I always say कि आपको खा नहीं जाएगी. It will help you to grow. It will help you to grow.
Ma'am, if they are eating non-veg, we can say at least give some break for animals and give some
Yes,
rice
yes,
and
yes.
eat dry vegetables.
Yes, definitely, definitely. Your room is so messy. Arrange it properly. Sometimes you will see. Your room is so messy.
लाइट ही बंद है ऑफिस की, बाहर वाली ऑफिस की भी लाइटें बंद, इसीलिए मैं बोला.
आपका रूम बहुत बिखरा हुआ है और इसको प्रॉपरली अरेंज करो. कैसे बोलोगे? Just try. Vibha, Madhu, Rupali, Sudeshna, Satish. Anyone? Is this your room or an archaeological site? Should I call some scientist to discover? Is this your room or an archaeological site? Should I call someone? Okay, मतलब आपका रूम इतना बिखरा हुआ है कि मेरे को तो लग रहा है ये आर्कियोलॉजिकल साइट है. So should I call someone to discover कि where you have to find that thing? So guys, I will share some. You all need to participate more in the classroom. This is not a Netflix show, guys. Feel free to unmute and start the conversation. So I will share this. You can just go through. I have shared some.
आरजी क्या ये क्या था?
क्या कह रहे हो? What you are saying?
Is this your room or
an archaeological site? I will share this whole PPT, guys. I will share this whole PDF. Okay. We don't want to publish any book after this session. Okay, so I will share this PDF. Okay, guys.
Ma'am?
Yes.
I'm sorry to say, like sometimes I heard something like in our own mother language, Bengali, but if I translate it in Hindi, that is, or in English, that is, you are as simple as jalebi. Your mind is as simple as jalebi.
Yes.
We use that.
Yes,
you use that.
Yes. You use and try to use that things. Formal environment.
Yeah.
ठीक है. अब क्वेश्चन आता है Bollywood dialogues. I really personally, I think everyone watches a movie. Anyone who is from this batch who doesn't watch the movie? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Jyoti, Padma, Hardik, Parul, everyone
Yeah,
watch
ma'am.
movies?
Everyone.
Okay. So guys, situation क्या है? When motivate someone after a setback. When motivate someone after a setback. Suppose करो अगर मैं स्टूडेंट की बात लेती हूँ, भैया वो फेल हो गया, so how you will motivate in the Bollywood style. Suppose गर्लफ्रेंड से ब्रेकअप हो गया, so how will you motivate? कैसे करोगे? Just think.
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Okay, well tried. Any more inputs?
What was the question, ma'am? I didn't understand.
Okay. हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. ठीक है. There is no life and you can still try. There are so many chances still are waiting for you. You can do this thing.
जो जीता वही सिकंदर.
जो जीता वही सिकंदर. Asking for help or collaboration. Suppose Sunanda, you are going for some concert. Okay, musical concert के लिए आप जा रहे हो, and you are asking for help or the collaboration कि यार dear, please can you do this work? Can you do this work? And you are asking for the help. And she said, okay, I will do this work for Sunanda. So Sunanda, this is a serious situation, asking for the help or the collaboration, asking for the help. Okay, you are saying ki, dear, I'm going for the concert. I need your help. So can you please help me? This is a simple or the serious situation. But how you can say in the humorous way if you're talking with your friend?
It will be pleasure
इट विल
by
बी ब्रेजर। तो वही सुनंदा, फिर से वही हो गया ना आपका, सीरियस सिचुएशन हो गया, फॉर्मल कॉन्वर्सेशन हो गया, जो हम मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यूज करते हैं। ये हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर,
ठाकुर
ये हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर, ठीक है। मतलब यू आर हेल्पिंग, यू आर हेल्पिंग। तो देखो हाथ किसे है, हाथों से हम काम कर रहे हैं। सो ये हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर। सपोर्ट टू रिड्यूस द टेंशन और फियर। गाइस ये तो सब बोलेंगे, प्लीज एवरीवन विल स्पीक। टू रिड्यूस द टेंशन और द फियर।
या हार के आगे जीत।
Okay.
डर के
All
आगे
is well.
जीते।
All is
डर
well.
के आगे
All is
All
well.
is well. All is well. All is well. Suppose you are going to tomorrow, you have a fluency presentation, and suppose Vasant is feeling nervous. So then now the Hardik Amit will say, Vasant, all is well. All is well. All is well. When inspire someone to dream big and believe in the power of intention. So then how you will say, दिस इज माई फेवरेट। अलग किसी चीज को अगर दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात तुम्हें दिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है।
शाहरुख खान।
शाहरुख खान, SR के। Even I have heard most of the time I also use this tagline also, guys. प्रेजेंटेशन बड़ी और लंबी नहीं होनी चाहिए, इम्प्रेसिव होनी चाहिए। प्रेजेंटेशन बड़ी और लंबी नहीं होनी चाहिए, इम्प्रेसिव होनी चाहिए। ऐसे ही जिंदगी के लिए मैं बहुत यूज करती हूँ, जिंदगी लंबी और बड़ी नहीं, चिल होनी चाहिए। बिकॉज आई हैव सीन वी आर नॉट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ दैट चिल फैक्टर। ठीक है, वी थिंक दैट वी हैव अ ग्रेट लाइफ, ठीक है, वी हैव द लाइफ, बट स्टिल वी हैव टू बिलीव इन लिव द एवरी मोमेंट ऑफ द लाइफ। Guys, now this is an assignment. What is this assignment? Okay, can anyone read in a louder? Madhu, can you read?
Yes, I will. Yes.
Madhu, can you read in a louder? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Hello, everyone. I am Komal. I am from Delhi. I am a communication coach and I am very excited to be here. I love meeting new people and sharing ideas. My goal is to keep things engaging and meaningful. Let's learn, grow, and have a great time together.
Yes, very nice, very nice. Do you really think so, okay, Madhu, after reading this script, which I'm saying this is my introductory script, it really gives some impact into your mind? हाँ, सुमैया को लग गया, सुमैया ये करके लग गया, हाँ?
Yes, ma'am. We will be like get motivation by reading this kind of things.
There is no
No motivation.
अच्छा, चलो अब इसको पढ़ो। Vasant, can you read it louder?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, I am Komal and from Delhi, Dilwaloki. I am into a professional where I can make mumbles into motivational speakers, and I am very thrilled to be here because I had no choice. I enjoy sharing ideas, cracking jokes, just to make sure that we all are awake. My goal is to keep things more engaging and, most importantly, free of boredom. Let's learn, grow, and enjoy the roller coaster of life.
Good.
Hardik, which triggers you more?
Second one. Enjoy the roller coaster of life.
Enjoy the roller coaster of life. The second one triggers you more. Second one triggers you more. Okay, Sunanda, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Sunanda is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Sunanda, Sudeshna. चलो सुनंदा, आप एक बार इसको दोबारा पढ़ो। Hey everyone को।
Hey.
Second para, ma'am.
Yes, second paragraph.
Hey everyone, I am Komal and from Delhi, Dilwaloki. I am into a profession where I can make mumblers into motivational speakers. And I am very thrilled to be here because I had no choice. Enjoy sharing ideas, cracking jokes, just to make sure that we all are awake. My goal is to keep things more engaging and, most importantly,
Free of boredom. So let's learn, grow, and enjoy the roller coaster of life. But guys, once you are speaking now, Sunanda, you have to do more practice while speaking these types of scripts.
And should I read this once?
Okay, Padma, but in a humorous way. In a humorous way.
Okay.
Serious way, nahi.
Hey everyone, I'm Komal from Delhi Dilwalon Ki. I am into professional where I can make mumbles into motivational speakers. And I am very thrilled to be here because I had no choice. Enjoy sharing ideas, cracking jokes, just to make sure that
that we are all awake.
My goal is, I can't even see the writing. My goal is to keep more engaging, importantly, free. Boredom, let's learn, enjoy, and
grow the roller coaster of life. Very nice. So guys, what is the difference between the first script and the second script? Second script is more engaging. Yeah. Second script is more catchy.
Yeah, interesting.
Interesting. Once you will speak the second script in front of your audience will love to listen. Otherwise, who has the time to just listen your first script? Kiske paas time hai? Who is interested to listen? I am from Delhi. I am a communication coach. Kiske paas time hai? There are so many communication.
Whatever you are.
Okay. So are you guys getting? So this is your assignment, guys. I will share into your group also. What you have to do, you just make your own script, but in a humorous
way. Okay.
In a humorous way. No, not the simple. मेरे को नहीं check करना simple आपका script. I just want to check your script, but in a humorous way. Got it? Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, so conclusion kya hai? What is the conclusion? That if we know how to inculcate the humor, engagement is there, retention is there, stress relief, this is very important, and enhance the creativity. Enhance the creativity. So guys, chalte ek.
गलती नहीं होती.
सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर हमेशा रखना जिंदगी में, हंसते हमेशा रहना, एक चाइल्ड लाइक इनोसेंस जरूर रखना. जैसे एक छोटे बच्चे की जो एक इनोसेंस होती है, जो उसका दुनिया की तरफ जो नजरिया होता है, बड़ा इनोसेंस सा होता है, उसमें कोई खामी नहीं होती, गलती नहीं होती, अभी दुनियावी बातें नहीं आई होती, तो वैसे रखना. कई बार बचपन में मैंने जब बदतमीजी की या कोई गलत काम किया, तो उन्होंने सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर से मुझे बचाया. और जिंदगी भर अगर आप अपने ऊपर, अपने हाल पे, दुनिया पे, क्योंकि लोग आपसे हर कोई बात कहेंगे, अच्छी बात भी कहेंगे, बुरी बात भी कहेंगे, क्योंकि लोगों का काम है कहना. अगर आप उसको एक सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर से देख सकेंगे तो जिंदगी जो है बहुत बेहतर रहेगी.
गाइस, लोगों का काम है कहना. We have to speak in a more engaging, in a more interesting. Because our motto is how to make our audience will love to listen us. So guys, this is the end of the today's session.